The convocation is something that I always want to put onto my calendar. No matter what the theme is, they're bringing in world-class leaders, thinkers, ministers, and you have the opportunity to sit underneath the teaching and ministry of people that you wouldn't normally get a chance to interact with.
I was ecstatic that the theme for this particular conference would be Just Worship. It's a little play on words. It's just worship, but we're also focusing on a just worship. So how do we connect issues of justice and well-being? How do we incorporate that in the formation that is Christian worship?
I think having challenging conversations and learning new things with other people is vital. We're in a time where we so often draw a line in the sand and we say, you're on that side and I'm on this side. These types of conferences, you're able to kind of dialogue about the differences that people have. I love that each session, there's almost always an opportunity to ask questions with speakers. They'll answer them honestly, and you can start to peel back the layers of things you're working through and processing. If we expect to be better people as we progress in life, we have to be pushing ourselves to grow and learn more.
This experience has been a respite in a very busy time of life. Our time is so valuable. We look for places that are meaningful, and this convocation has without a doubt been that kind of experience. And SMU Perkins is a jewel to the Dallas community, and I'm glad it's here. I'm glad it's a resource, and I'm glad it's taking the time and the resources to produce this type of quality theological education for us.